If your toddler throws food, watch this before getting angry. Every meal used to end with food all over the floor, and I thought my toddler was just being difficult. But then I learned toddlers throw food when they're overwhelmed or don't know what to do with food they don't want. So I changed 3 things: tiny portions, a no thank you bowl, and one calm rule: food stays on the table. No yelling, no big reactions. And slowly, the throwing stopped. Sometimes, simple guidance works better than frustration. Follow for more parenting tips.